Hello everyone, welcome to the Devputer Software. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Devputer Software, and if you have already subscribed, do not forget to press on the bell icon. Hello everyone. So today we will learn what is data structure and algorithm. Okay. So first we will see what is data structure and then what is algorithm. So what is data structure? So data structure is a particular way of storing and organizing data in a computer so it can be used efficiently. So it's just a storing and organizing data. So you have a lot of data and then you want to store in some container, then where you can store and organize that data. So for that purpose data structure is used. So there are some example well-known data structures are there, which are the array. You must be aware of array, that you can store sequentially all the data into the array. So these are the array. Then list. In the list there are different type of singly and doubly linked lists are there. Then there is a tree and b plus tree. So in tree there are different like binary tree, avl, redback tree, and that b and b plus tree. So these are the tree variation. Then heap data structure is also there, which is a max and min heap. Then hashing and graph. In graph like bfs, dfs, breadth first search, depth first search. So these are the different type of data structures are there in which you can store and organize your data. Okay. Now what is algorithm? So algorithm is a step-by-step procedure for calculating, or you can tell it a sequence of program instruction designed to compute a particular result. Let's say you want some result, then for getting that result you have to perform step-by-step process. So there are a few examples I like sorting and searching, finding shortest path, dynamic programming, numerical algorithms, etc. So just consider like you want to sort something. You have bunch of data and you want to sort something. So you need step by step for sorting all the elements. Even in the searching also you need which process or steps you will use for searching. So it's kind of step by step procedure for calculation. So let's take one example. You have cards and you want to sort it. Okay. So for that you have to give input like above all the card 2, 5, 4, 10 and 7 is there, for just assume. Now you want to sort it. So you will use some algorithm or some step-by-step process to sort each and every card, and at the end you will get sorted elements or your card. So you can understand that its algorithm is a which you get input and get required output, and in between that algorithm you have to perform step-by-step procedure for calculation. Now we'll see some practical like real life examples where that data structures and algorithms are used. So our first is LinkedIn. You must be aware that in the LinkedIn, whenever you log in and you go to someone's profile, here you can see that first, third. So that particular person is on your third connection, second connection, first connection, all that graph thing you get into a LinkedIn. So they are using data structure graph. Even Facebook also introduced graph data structure also. So you can search like people I may know, or like you have some interest in music and similar kind of person, your friend, who is that person or friend. So you can see here music, my friend like, movies my friend like. So that kind of graph searching algorithm they have introduced. So and next some practical examples like sudoku. You must be aware that a sudoku puzzle game is there. So it's using a backtracking algorithm. So backtracking each and every in the tree, and then it's find out for solving automatically, programmatically. So it's kind of in on the tree they are doing backtracking means going at the end and then again finding one by one that in the tree, so which is backtracking. And also another example is like indexing in the database. Let's say you have a lot of gigabyte terabyte of data is there, and now you want to search particular data into the database. So it will definitely take time. So for improving that searching into the database, we implement indexing into the database. Okay, so for that indexing implementation, b-tree and b plus tree is used. By that data structure, it will take a less time to find particular or search data from the database. So in the database side, they are also using data structure of that b and b plus tree. Now even in the like query optimization, data structure algorithm is also used, that they are using parsing tree. You have some, let's say, some queries that select name from enrollment. So this query is there, and from that query, if it's going to be performed, how you can optimize it. So it must be very quickly. So for that, internally, that particular database that parse that query into the tree format, then it apply the relational algebra, and at the end of relational algebra, they apply some optimization mechanism. So by this way, they perform all the optimization, and definitely at the end they use data structure and algorithm. Okay, so these are the mainly example, real life examples of data structure and algorithm. And it's very important to learn data structure and algorithm in the computer science and fundamental, and in the programmatically also. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Devputer Software. And also all other technical videos are also available into my YouTube channel. You can check it out, different Linux and some interview questions, etc. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to press on the like button. Thank you very much. Bye bye.